Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Motors. Our analyst maintains buy on Tata Motors with a SOTP based unchanged price target of Rs 1235 on expecting continued improvement in JLR, PV and CV business and reduce net automotive debt. The company continues to target for a double-digit EBITDA margin in both PV and CV business on sustainable basis. Its aim for an EBITDA break-even in EV business in FY26. It expects a gradual improvement in market share in CV segment, while it plans to follow a product launch strategy to gain market share in PV segment. The stock trades at EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.7 times its FY26 estimate. Next, we have an update on Hindustan Unilever. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hindustan Unilever with an unchanged price target of Rs 2725. HUL's FY24 performance was hit by subdued rural demand, leading to muted revenue growth. However, HUL maintained its leadership position in 85% of its portfolio. It invested a large part of raw material cost saving on brands. Cash flow generation stayed strong with free cash flow at Rs 13,472 crore. FCF by EBITDA of 97%. Return ratios remain stable year on year with ROE at 20% and ROCE at 39% ex goodwill. Management continues to focus on achieving volume-led growth across business, aided by distribution expansion, digitization, innovation and premiumization. With strategies in place, HUL is expected to deliver a revenue and PAT CAGR of 10 to 12% over FY24 to FY26. Likely revival in rural India and its underperformance versus broader indices makes it a preferred pick in the consumer goods space. The stock trades at 52 times its FY25 and 46 times FY26 EPS respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.